Take that one. Get him. Yeah. Woo! Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are finally back after about 3 months, I think. But there's been quite a few reasons for that. And yeah, and I left my GoPro at school and all my other camera stuff, which I thought I brought. So I'm gonna have to be borrowing some Brett's stuff today. But we're going dove hunting. It's September 1st, finally. The struggle to find a goose feed was real these last couple days. We put on a lot of miles looking for birds, and we think we only found 2 feeds worth hunting, and the one guy said we were about the 8th person to ask. So it's been rough on that part, and there's really not many birds around. We would have had a couple fields, but I mean, there was birds in it in the beginning of August, and now they're all gone. And couldn't find them, so we're gonna go shoot some doves. We had a pretty good spot. Ian mowed some rye that we couldn't get combined. So yeah, I think me, Ian, Brett, and Brad and Tigan are gonna be going out there. So shooting lights at about 6:15. So yeah, see you then. Mowed, and I mean, there's a lot of grain on the ground here for them, but the piece that he mowed here, he said it took him like 2 hours just to mow this little bit here. But there's a lot of good stuff for them to eat here. And then here's the standing rye right here. And yeah, it's kind of a shame. It's a lot of good rye. So they have been landing in the standing rye here, and because he said when he was mowed in, he scared him up too. But I came out here the other day and I was watching them land out here. Full bodies. Got some goose decoys ripped to that. But
Four times I've shot 5 shots. 74.
first one of the year.
When I told
you don't hit it your first shot, so shoot it.
Coming right to the left. Maybe we should back up in the corner a little bit.
Here comes Bunch.
Should we back up some?
Still like a mile. Oh, right here.
Okay.
yeah,
Right there in the corner.
Oh my God.
Two more.
way to shoot with all those, Caden.
Well,
Yeah, why did no one else shoot at those?
I don't know.
You hit him first time.
Yeah. It's right on. Landed the stripping mold to walk over.
Yeah. Oh God. Don't move. Go down.
On that one.
Hey, they landed over there.
Coming back around.
Ian. Shoot him! Oh God, big group coming, big group!
God, I keep looking at this stupid song.
Get out of here!
Ian, what are you doing?
I said down!
Oh, Ian, they're still coming. Here comes one.
Shoot the two, shoot the two. Right there.
Go get him. Go get that one, Tigan. so he don't run away. Try not to shoot him over the line.
You'll get that one off.
I'll get this one. Two right here. Hey, get back here! God damn it.
Brad, just shoot up the sun. Wait till he gets off the sun then. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Right over. Oh. Brad's staring at the sun. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, pretty weird.
Hey, you got him before he went.
Who else goes
I can go get it.
Brad.
Oh, Bradley's got it.
That was the one too. He did a loop-de-loop.
Here's 3 more.
Run. Oh my God, Brad, get down.
Brad to the right.
Oh shit, yeah.
Brad, right above you. Shoot him.
Brad, above!
Blind? Is he fucking blind?
Oh God, they're coming in.
Oh, hey. Wow, we shot 0 on that.
I shot way.
Oh my God, those were hard to hit. There. Oh my God, I ran out of shells.
Run grab that one.
Murphy. They all got up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, look at him over there on the highline light wire. Well, the doves are starting to buzz now. Shooting's not been great. They're coming in. I think we need to take them a little earlier. It's so hard. We can't take them with that rye strip because we can't find them out there. But I don't know. Probably have like 12 down. And we probably should have a lot more than that. But they're really starting to move now, so should be pretty good. He's come back. Yeah, the one went down.
Sometimes you just gotta throw that boy. Look at it. Tiger. In the sun or what? Oh yeah.
Right there.
Take him. Good shot, Caden. You even got that on no bid.
Oh my gosh, kid.
Holy smokes. You are freaking
Kind of the man around here.
Caden, you almost missed him. You hit him on his
Oh God.
God, you said, oh God, there's one.
There's 3.
Right above Tiger.
Take it.
I'll go.
I'm almost positive I pelted my mojo. Behind us. You just rile them up. Gotta get them riled up. Stay down, stay down. Right there. Hey! T-bone.
You did say it. You not believe me? Oh, buddy. Buddy, this is my bird.
Oh my God! Oh, yeah, right in front. Woohoo!
Good shot, Brad.
Higgins.
Get him in.
I'm like 50% confident I hit that bird.
I didn't even shoot because I thought I didn't want to shoot. And it was getting too close.
I was kind of watching Brett.
It almost landed in the pile.
Was that impressive, Tiger? Yeah.
Oh, wait, a whole bunch. Oh, God.
Oh, geez. Go to the left.
Take that one.
Oh, you got him. You see him. Good shot, Caden.
What are those other 2 doing?
They're yonder.
Let's go.
I don't like them when they're over there.
Well, I only saw 2 and then I looked up and there's 10 of them. What are you shooting at?
I wanted to shoot.
Oh. That thing was stone dead. I was looking around like.
I was like, just getting ready to aim. I'm like, I'll shoot after Caden.
There.
No.
Or not.
Oh, there's one over top. Oh, jeez, is there one in front? This one's coming back around, Caden, so you're right. Right.
Hey, 2.
2-2.
Get him. Yeah. Woo!
I'm like, I gotta shoot at something that I want this posted. Not today.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Kill him.
Woo!
Yeah, I didn't have to shoot. Oh,
Ah, I got it.
Hey! That hurt the ear a little bit, but it's worth it for the dove. I'll go deaf for a dove.
I was waiting for you.
I ran out. I never know how many shells I have left.
I need some. Oh, that's right. You gotta just find a partner that has a bow.
Yeah.
Like Ian.
Well, that is what we're gonna call today's video. It was pretty good. Fun to get out here. I think the final count was 54. And I think if shooting would have been just a little bit better, we would have had a chance at our limit. Definitely saw a lot of birds. But sometimes, you know, you'd have that group of like 6 or 8 come in. And then they'd get right into shooting range, right in the decoys here, and they'd start doing 180s and all that. And then they'd fly over you and you just can't get good shots at them. But yeah, otherwise, it was fun to get out. We definitely could have stayed out here longer. They're still buzzing all over and they're still landing. I mean, we were walking out of here and I left the decoys out here because I drove out here and one dive bombed right into the decoys. So, but maybe we'll come out here again. So there's plenty of doves out here. There's, like I said, the other sunflower field and the other wheat field. So hope you guys liked the video. Feels good to be back posting again. We had a few reasons for that, but otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.